this is how we enjoy for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you if the beta version of iOS, that is iOS 26, is not appear, you want to try it, and if you don't see that, what you can do. For example, I'm going inside the setting here. In setting we'll go to general. In general we have to go inside software update. You see here I don't see the beta version of iOS 26. So in this case what you can do, you have to open Safari. In this case, go inside Safari, type here Apple developers. Here the first one you see iOS app developers, not that one, that is ads. Here this one, Apple developers. Go inside. In developers you have to connect with your Apple ID. You have to make an account with them, and it should be the same account of your phone. I click here, you see account option, click this one. You have to sign in with the same account, with your same Apple account, which one you are using in your phone. If you sign in with another account, it's not gonna work. So put your email address. You see the agreement, you can read if you want. Hit yes here, hit agree, customize experience and all that, get started, skip and finish. I finish all the project, later you can do an email and all the things. So this is Apple developer is activated. Now we'll go to the setting again and we refresh. After refreshing, immediately you see beta update is on here. Hit this one. You can update iOS 26 beta version or other beta you can try as well. So you have to click this one and go back. You see here, this is beta, iOS beta 3. Software update is 8.69 gigabytes. To some people is 6, some people 8 gigabytes of update they have. So this is the way, if iOS 26 beta is not appear, how you can make it visible and install in your phone. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.